Just to let you all know, I'm going to be using the A word, that is Amazon A, quite a lot in this video. So if you want to enjoy it without her keep pinging you, then turn the microphone off before you watch this video. Okay, so if you had an Alexa, would you plan on paying for it? Would you pay a subscription to use the service? That is what Amazon is betting that you guys will do. So what they're saying is that there is an anonymous tipster has said that there is a possibility Amazon will want you to pay for the service in the future. And I'm just going to go down to what it says. The revamp of the voice assistant will likely be called Alexa Plus, but there is no clue yet on the price. It could be bundled with a Prime subscription. So it could be that you get slightly more to your Prime subscription with this service added to it. It will be more controversial and offer more conversational, and offer more personalization to individuals, according to Business Insider. But internal arguments about how this should work might hold back the already delayed launch. Apparently 15,000 customers have been testing the new underlying voice technology under the codename Remarkable Alexa. There is still debate about whether using the name or Alexa Plus. So I'm just thinking about all your things that are coming on at the moment, all your devices. These external tests have found that the answers are still not meeting expectations, and as is common with AI generally, there is inaccurate information being shared. Amazon was the early leader with voice control and became a household name and had the most users of any for many years after its launch in 2016. But Google's Assistant and Siri have now overtaken with 88.8 million and 84.2 million respectively in the US. Amazon has not yet worked out how to make money from their devices, such as Echo speakers. It laid off 10,000 people back in November. They see a subscription plan as a way to make money. If it fails to get revenue, Alexa is in trouble, one of the people told Business Insider, who released a story yesterday. Now, of course, the problem with this is that people ask basic commands. They ask what the weather is, they ask what the time is, they ask, is their journey to work bad, or something like that. They don't typically make purchases on there, and this is the issue that Amazon are having. This is the way that they can generate revenue, but of course people don't usually do it that way. They usually do it, if they do it at all, through the Amazon app or something like that. So this is the problem that Amazon are now having, that they're not able to monetize the echoes and things like that in a way that's going to help them generate income. So this is one way they're thinking of doing it, to offer you more services and offer you more tools that you can use on Alexa, but having to pay a subscription for that privilege. Would you, if you could get, say for example, you could get a really good AI with the Alexa, would you pay a subscription fee for that? Or would this be the one thing that would actually put you off buying one in the future? Let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts.